Hello, and welcome to another episode of Create with Christine. Today we're going to be learning how to paint a desert sunset. So we're going to start off by mixing our paint colors. What you're going to want to mix is white with a little bit of yellow. You'll also want a pale yellow-orange. We're going to go ahead and create kind of a medium bubblegum pink color and then a little bit deeper pink color as well. Once you have your paint colors, your brushes, your water, your canvas, and you're all ready to go, the first step is to apply the paint colors to the canvas. Dip your paintbrush in this pretty little yellow and go back and forth on the canvas until we have a nice big chunk of yellow. Since we have 4 colors, we're going to put each color up about a fourth of the page. Once you have your next color on here, try not to overlap the edges too much. If they touch a little bit, that's all right, but we're going to be blending them in just a little bit. So first we're going to apply the paint and then we'll blend it. Now at first we're going to just do some dry blending without using any water. After a little bit, then go ahead and dip your paintbrush in a little bit of water, dab off the excess water, and then go ahead and blend those 2 colors again. Go ahead and repeat the same process for all 4 colors. Remember to apply the paint first onto the canvas and then blend the 2 together once both colors are on the canvas. You'll have to work kind of quickly because you'll want to make sure that everything is wet while you're working with it. Once the paint starts to dry, it gets a little bit tacky. Once you leave your sunset to dry for a while, the next step is to create some silhouettes on top. So for mine, I chose to draw 4 Peaks, which is a mountain formation just outside of Phoenix here. So go ahead and draw that in pencil first. And I'm going to add some saguaro cacti here in order to kind of get my lines straight because I'm horrible at that. I'm going to go ahead and trace some pencils on here. You are welcome to add whatever type of trees or plants you want in your own painting, but since I have 2 layers in mine, I've got my mountains and my saguaros. I'm going to mix a lighter shade of purple for my mountains since they appear to be farther away, and my saguaros, since they're closer to the viewer, they're going to be a deeper, darker shade of purple. One little tip for you guys, it might seem kind of common knowledge, but if you're right-handed, I would go ahead and start on the left side of your painting first and work your way to the right just to make sure you don't smear your work. And of course, if you're left-handed, to do the reverse of it. Seems like pretty common sense stuff, but sometimes we forget when we're caught up in the moment of painting. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love to see what you guys create, so if you make your own desert sunset painting, then be sure to tag me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.